Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. I am not doing a video right now. I am just going to show you something that I have fallen in love with. Now let me tell you, a good friend of mine just introduced me to Queer Eye. I watched the original, loved it, and then this one just sort of slipped under the radar. I didn't know it was there or how wonderful it was or how absolutely transformative it was. One of the episodes is about these two women in Kansas City who are pitmasters in their own barbecue company. I have never met, well, I've never met them, but I've never seen two women work harder and never seen anybody who deserved the Queer Eye makeover like them. So today I made a pork roast in my little Instant Pot. You just put the roast in there, some salt, some pepper, some water of course, and then I put it on high pressure for about an hour and 15 minutes, and then I let it sit and the warm thing until all the pressure was gone naturally. Then I took it out and I shredded it, and I added a bottle of this. This is Joans BBQ sauce, made in Kansas City. I'm not being paid to do this. This is some seriously good barbecue sauce that I have never tasted anything like it before. I don't think you can buy it in stores yet, but you can if you look up Joans BBQ and look for that logo. And I'm just gonna put in some pictures right now of the food that I made, the meat, how it looks as a sandwich, and I just hope you try it. I just really do. It's really yummy.